take refuge.
Preserve me, O God, for in you I take refuge.
O Lord, it is you who are my portion and cup. You yourself who secure my Lord. I keep the Lord before me always. With him at my right hand, I shall not be moved.
Preserve me, O God, for in you I take refuge.
And so my heart rejoices, my soul is glad. Even my flesh shall rest in hope. For you will not abandon my soul to hell, nor let your Holy One see corruption.
Preserve me, O God, for in you I take refuge.
You will show me the path of life, the fullness of joy in your presence. At your right hand,